Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the profound wisdom of Buddhism with 15 powerful Buddha quotes that have the potential to transform your life. Buddhism, with its teachings of mindfulness, compassion, and enlightenment, has inspired millions around the world for centuries. Let's explore some of the most impactful quotes attributed to the Buddha himself. Quote 1. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. This quote reminds us of the importance of living in the present, cherishing each moment as it comes. Quote number 2, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. This powerful statement underscores the significance of our thoughts and how they shape our reality. Quote number 3, next up. We have three things cannot be long hidden: the sun, the moon, and the truth. This quote speaks to the inevitability of truth prevailing, no matter how much it may be obscured. Quote number 4, you will be punished by your anger. Here, the Buddha teaches us about the destructive nature of anger and its consequences. Moving on, quote number 5, the only real failure in life is not to be true to the best one knows. This quote encourages us to stay authentic to ourselves and our values. Number 6, in the end, only three things matter: how much you loved, how gently you lived, and how gracefully you let go of things not meant for you. This beautifully encapsulates the essence of a fulfilling life. Quote 7, health is the greatest gift, contentment the greatest wealth, faithfulness the best relationship. The Buddha emphasizes the importance of health, contentment, and faithfulness in our lives. Next, we have thousands of candles can be lighted from a single candle, and the life of the candle will not be shortened. Happiness never decreases by being shared. This quote speaks to the boundless nature of happiness and its ability to grow through sharing. Quote number 9. There is no path to happiness. Happiness is the path here. The Buddha reminds us that happiness is not a destination to reach, but rather a journey to be embraced. Quote 10, moving forward with better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. This quote highlights the profound impact of peaceful communication. Number 11, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. The Buddha teaches us that true peace originates from our inner selves, not from external sources. Quote 12, we are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves. This reminds us of the transformative power of positive thinking. Next up, we have hatred does not cease by hatred, but only by love. This is the eternal rule. The Buddha's words remind us of the potency of love in overcoming hatred and animosity. Quote 14, you yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection. This quote emphasizes the importance of self-love and self-care. And finally, quote 15, believe nothing, no matter where you read it or who said it, and no matter if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. This encourages critical thinking and personal discernment. These powerful Buddha quotes hold timeless wisdom that can profoundly impact our lives. Which one resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, may you be filled with peace and enlightenment. Thank you for watching.